You can see the link up here, which is in the description. Download from Microsoft.com. Office Pro Plus 2021 Retail. Office 2024 is out. Make sure to unblock. Office 2024 is out, but it only included Home. It did not include Pro. So recommend still getting 2021. Mounting the ISO here, we have to drill into the Office folder and double check, make sure you're using the 32 setup32.exe to run the installer. I sped it up there. It does tend to take a minute before the actual installer starts running. And I sped it up again to get towards the end of the installer. For me, it took about 10 minutes for it to install. Okay, it says we're all set. It's not really true. We still need to activate our license key. So we're using a retail version here, so it's a 25 character key, which will immediately be prompted for. I'm not going to type in the key so villains from the internet can't steal it. But that's where you would type in the key. And because I didn't type in the key, it's going to give me a 5-day countdown. So I get full use of Office for 5 days, which can be handy. Tells me the exact day it's going to become disabled. Privacy dialog, no big deal. Now I'm going to go to Account and just confirm that it is 32-bit installed by going to About Excel. And at the top there it says 32-bit, which is success.